Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you own a 2024 or 2025 Nissan Rogue, or you're thinking about buying one, you need to watch this video until the very end because Nissan just announced one of the most serious recalls we've seen in years. Over 318,000 Rogue SUVs are being pulled back because of a problem that can literally leave your car unable to move forward or backward at any moment. Yeah, you heard that right. The throttle can get stuck and the vehicle just stops responding. This isn't some minor software glitch. This is a mechanical failure inside the throttle body that could turn a simple drive into a dangerous situation. So let's break down exactly what's happening, why it's happening, and most importantly, what you should do right now. Here are the hard numbers. Nissan is recalling exactly 318,781 Rogue SUVs from the 2024 and 2025 model years, and every single one of them is equipped with the 1.5-liter three-cylinder turbocharged engine. That's basically the entire production run of the new generation Rogue with that powertrain. According to documents filed with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the issue starts every single time you start the engine. There's a built-in diagnostic routine that runs automatically on startup. This routine rotates the internal gears inside the electronic throttle chamber, that's the etc., all the way against a fixed mechanical stopper. Over time, and we're talking thousands of start-stop cycles, this repeated banging against the stopper weakens and eventually fractures those plastic gears. Once a gear breaks, it can jam the entire throttle assembly, preventing the engine from getting any air. The result? Your Rogue suddenly has zero power. It won't accelerate, it won't move forward, and it won't go in reverse. You're basically stranded in the middle of traffic or on the highway now. I know what you're thinking. Has this actually caused accidents? Nissan says they have received 3,111 warranty claims related to this exact issue so far. But thankfully, as of right now, there are zero reported crashes or injuries. That's the good news. The bad news is that Nissan estimates 100% of the recalled vehicles could be affected. That's right, every single 2024 and 2025 Rogue with the 1.5-liter engine is potentially sitting on a ticking time bomb. The company is taking this so seriously that they're calling it a safety recall, which means they have to fix it for free and notify every owner by law. So what exactly is Nissan going to do about it? The fix is actually pretty straightforward, at least on paper. Authorized Nissan dealers will first reprogram the engine control module, the ECM, with brand new software that changes the way that diagnostic routine behaves. The new software should stop the gears from constantly smashing against the stopper. Then technicians will inspect the electronic throttle chamber itself. If there's any sign of damage or wear, they'll replace the entire throttle body assembly at no cost to you. The whole process should be free, quick, and covered under the recall. But here's the important part. You don't want to wait for your letter in the mail. Owner notification. Letters are scheduled to start going out on March 27th, 2026. That's still more than a month away. If you drive your Rogue every day, especially if you do a lot of short trips with lots of starts and stops, that diagnostic routine is stressing those gears right now. So do yourself a favor today. Go to the official NHTSA website, type in your VIN and check if your vehicle is included in Recall Campaign 26 volts 081. The link is in the description below. If it comes up as affected, call your local Nissan dealer immediately and schedule an appointment. Tell them you're coming in for the throttle body recall, so they have the parts ready. Don't wait for the letter. The sooner you get it fixed, the safer you and your family will be. This recall is a big wake-up call for anyone who owns or is considering a 2024 or 2025 Nissan Rogue with the 1.5-liter engine. While the Rogue is generally a solid compact SUV with great fuel economy and comfortable ride, this throttle issue shows that even new vehicles can have hidden problems. If you've already experienced any hesitation, sudden loss of power, or warning lights on your dash, get it checked immediately, even if your VIN doesn't show up yet. Better safe than sorry. If you found this video helpful, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button right now. It really helps the channel grow and lets more people see this important safety information. Also, drop a comment below. Do you currently own a 2024 or 2025 Rogue? Have you noticed anything weird with the throttle? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want more in-depth recall coverage, car news, and honest reviews like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe out there on the road, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe, everyone. Take care,